How is it?
Looks really nice actually. I'm gonna put on some sun cream just to kind of attract the sun, you know?
Entice the sun.
If you haven't seen our last video, we arrived here in this Airbnb in El Nido. It's massive, and the bed, oh my god. I slept really well here actually last night.
Same.
It was really nice. We're in a really busy area. It is a bit loud, but it's expected because you're right in the city centre, but I slept through it. Better?
I did it, yeah.
Right.
Nice.
Those tricycles are so fun. They look like they've built a car around a bike and then put a sidecar on there as well. I don't know. Very different to the tricycles we've seen elsewhere.
They're so cute though. They almost look like a little bit like, I don't know, like they look chubby.
Like a spaceship.
Yeah, they look really hilarious.
When we walked here last night, we walked down to the kind of beach area and turned left. And we thought we were kind of in the main area of El Nido, but it just kept going and going and going.
It's actually way bigger than we first thought, so we might have been a little bit premature to say that we're right in the heart of it, although we are in a very, very, very good location.
Yeah.
But right now we're actually heading down towards what seems to be more of the main strip. We definitely need to have some breakfast.
Oh, yeah. Today we're planning on having a pretty chilled day here in El Nido, so a bit of food, bit of beaches as well, because tomorrow...
No, thank you.
Oh no, thanks, I have some. Yeah, so we're gonna be checking out some beaches and having some food. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing more of a tour on a boat, so that's gonna be an action-packed day. Because we did a bit of traveling yesterday, we wanted to take a chill day today. But this place we're at today, called Happiness, everyone's been recommending coming to Happiness. So
And it's got such a cute name. How can you not want to eat in a place called Happiness?
yeah,
Come on.
I see a smile up there.
It's big before, so I can't make it any bigger.
Good morning.
We've now pretty much got the hot seat of the house at Happiness. We are literally, you can probably hear, can't quite see it because I'm not wearing my glasses.
I can see it.
But the beach is right here, I can hear it. It's so vibey. It's like tropical vibes. We've just ordered what sounds like the most sort of tropical vibe breakfast. I can't wait. This place is vibey.
Thank you.
So
Wow.
cute.
That looks so good. That egg.
No, don't poke it. It's not beachy vibes unless you have watermelon, right? That's good. I forgot what was inside.
Wow. I've gone for something called super mango. That tastes super healthy. It tastes of ginger in there. Oh yeah.
Oh, you can. Oh, that does taste like health. Health as well. That's what they say.
Oh, look at that. Bit of bread, bit of tomato, onions, eggs. Oh.
Good way to start the day.
Oh, perfect way to start the day.
There's something about smoothie bowls as a general rule, but a green smoothie bowl, look at that. Ah, that actually looks so creamy, so good. Oh, that is really good. Health as well, 1. 2, when you're on an island, you have to have a smoothie bowl. And 3, if there's smoothie bowls in general, you have to have a green one. That's like my general rules that I live by.
I would never have a green smoothie. I don't know, something about them having vegetables in there kind of puts me off a little bit, and I actually don't like avocado either, so there's probably avocado in there, right? Making it green. Yeah, not for me.
It's really good.
You can keep it.
Thank you. Yeah, I guess that is the bonus. Dylan doesn't want any, so I get to eat it all myself.
Bye. See you later.
Bye.
Wow. That's a great way to start the day.
Oh, so nice. The sun is actually shining. I've had my smoothie bowl. It's brilliant. That was really yummy. I'm feeling the happiness. See?
While we were at breakfast, they said they also have a place that sells tours as well. So
Happiness tours.
Happiness Tours here. We went in there and we booked a tour for tomorrow. Easy peasy.
I'm so excited. There were so many to choose from, but the lady that worked there was pretty persuasive about one particular one, so that's the one we booked. I'm super excited. Woo!
Yeah. Oh, quiet.
Oh,
Where is everyone?
not here.
Wow. For some reason I thought there would be a lot more people on this beach.
Yeah, it is a nice beach.
Yeah.
And there are a few boats here, so maybe that's why people aren't quite chilling at this beach.
It does remind me a little bit of Thailand, you know, with
Yeah.
all these cliffs. Nice, very nice. Oh, sound of the water.
It's enough to put you to sleep, I think.
Yeah. It's kind of strange. I was expecting to see loads of people kind of chilling here, so we could be like, oh, let's lie down over there where everyone else is. But there's no one here. I don't know how long we'll stay here because it feels kind of weird actually. It feels like there's no one here.
Yeah. I feel like there must be a reason. Where is it?
Maybe there are much better beaches and people don't use this beach. Maybe this is more of a port for the boats because there are a lot of boats here.
Yeah.
So we'll check out another one in a bit. Promise.
Right, sir?
Can we go to Vanilla Beach?
Yes, 150.
Yeah, sure. Oh, Mazda, eh?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, bye. Hello. This place is called Lazy Hammock Cafe. And inside there's loads of hammocks that you can sit in. I've never seen a hammock where you can sit like this before, like a seat hammock. I guess it's just not really a hammock then, is it? It's just like a seat. I think all that traveling yesterday has got to Adriana.
Ice caramel latte.
Thank you.
Yeah, enjoy.
Looks like a
You
good
need
one.
a double shot.
I don't know what's gotten to me. I'm so tired. Pretty much since we got to the Philippines, we've been traveling like this and filming like this. So we really haven't had that much time to relax. The time that we kind of had allocated to relax ended up being really rainy, and then we ended up doing loads of work inside anyway. So I haven't really had like a holiday as such. Really been enjoying it, but I'm tired. Thank you. It's good. Thank you. The managers just came over with some ube and mango ice cream, their bestseller. It looks so good. Look how beautiful that is. I'm ruining it now. Oh.
Thanks, bye. Yeah, so that was Lazy Hammock Cafe. Definitely recommend that. The guys working there are so nice, but
That
also
was so tasty.
Oh.
That was such a good coffee. And I'm not just saying that because I really fancied one. That
no,
was really nice.
that is the best iced coffee I've had since coming to Philippines, hands down. And the ice cream that they gave us, perfect.
What a brilliant way to continue the day. Can I pet the dog? Ayaw mo sa may-ari?
Oh my god, it's so small! Looks pretty vibey here.
It does. It's like music playing, people are chilling.
People.
Yeah, humans are around.
There's a zip line that I've just seen now that goes all the way across
Oh, I can
from
see
one
that.
island to the other here. We've just done a zip line in Bohol last week. That was super fun. This one looks like it goes over the beach into another island. Hello. You know zip line, babe? Babe, where are you going?
Where am I going?
It's here.
Yeah.
You wanna do it together?
Can we do it together?
Yes, ma'am, because we have two cable wire going to the island, so you can ride at the same time.
At the same time. Okay, I gotcha.
But not in the same.
Not like attached to each other. No.
Way
okay.
too heavy.
Yeah, probably a little bit. If we were children, maybe.
You can tandem if you are children.
Oh, okay.
1,100 per person.
Yes.
It's a nice office you have here.
Yeah.
Nice view.
Yeah, you got a very nice view from your
So,
office.
this is your ticket, ma'am, for
Thank you.
two.
Yeah, brilliant.
And this is the way going up.
Like we have to do with the other zip line, we have to go on a little off-roading trek first to get up top because it's up here and it goes all the way over that way. Wow, this is steep. You good?
I've had to start walking on my toes.
Oh, the zip line voucher.
Oh, schnitzels.
I've left the voucher.
I've left the voucher, that's my mistake. I'm sorry. We have to walk all the way back down. Come on, come on!
Wow.
Good job.
Oh, sorry. Don't leave your ticket down there if you're coming to this.
Partially left me behind to be a gentleman, partially left me behind because I'm really slow.
No, you're already tired, so
Yeah.
keep your energy.
Thank you.
That's a cool view.
I feel so secure.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Oh, it looks really fast.
Where do I put my hand?
And yeah.
In the air. And 3, 2,
Hello. I'm better now. See you. Hello. How's that?
That was intense.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we slowed down, I was like, oh no.
You're way behind me.
I know. Welcome.
That was so much fun. I think that one was faster than the one in Bohol, so it was a bit more thrilling. And
You
second
think?
one, I think the second one was steeper.
I think in Bohol, they pushed me to go faster. So I went faster than you both
Oh, yeah.
times. I was like zooming through. This time, I don't think they didn't push me.
No.
And I don't think I was quite heavy enough to like zoom all the way through. It was super fun though. Beautiful views.
Yeah, the water really looks blue when you're up there.
That definitely woke me up.
Yeah,
That between that, the coffee, and the puppies, and the green smoothie bowl,
that's all you need.
that's quite a lot of stuff.
This beach is definitely more of a chilled beach bar vibe than
Yeah.
the other place. The other beach was more of like some seafood restaurants.
Yeah.
But here, definitely, if you want to come for a few beers or some cocktails, some chill music as well.
Yeah.
Definitely
Really
come here.
nice vibe. I think the El Nido beach in the evening probably pops off a little bit more because all of the bars and restaurants there, but
Yeah.
this one's been so nice.
And the sand is so nice.
Oh, it's so soft.
Look at that. Right, let's head on back. This is what we meant earlier. This strip just keeps going and going of restaurants, ice cream places, bars. Kind of comes alive at night, I think.
Yeah.
But you can ride a motorbike and tricycle through here, so be careful. When we walked here yesterday, we saw a really cool, Asian food place, and it's got, it's like the design is like a school bus, so like a truck.
Yeah, it's like quite literally a food truck. Not like, oh, come to my food truck and I'll give you some food. Like, the truck is part of it.
Yeah.
It looks super cool. It looked really vibey last night when we walked past it. We were like, yeah, shall we?
Yes, we shall. Hello. You wanna sit down here?
Yeah.
Like there, together?
Yeah, we can sit together.
Yeah? Cool.
This place is so cool.
Yeah.
I feel very funky sitting here. The menu is so good. Like every option had a vegetarian option for me.
So if we haven't said it already, this place is called the Food Truck. Basically, everywhere we've been to today is in and around sort of the northwest side of El Nido. Everything will be in the description box if you need to know where any of these are, by the way. First thing I've got is some really nice looking chicken gyozas. Oh, nice.
smell
And
really
some,
good.
there's like garlic, chili oil on the side as well. So yeah, that's good. Great start.
Food, green noodles, and spicy noodles.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That smells
It's the fried garlic
so good. Oh, it smells so good. This place, by the way, does primarily noodles. I think there's a rice dish on there as well, and some like appetizers, dim sum vibes. But it's basically like an Asian noodle food truck. I wish we could like 4D this to you guys so you could have some smell-o-vision, because it does smell really, really nice. I knew you'd like that one.
The peanut butter on there.
I know, right?
Nah, it's good. Nah, it's really good. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Wow, that was a lot of food.
That was a lot of food. But I feel like there's one way we could really put the icing on the cake of today.
Oh yeah? What's that?
Ice cream. Which one do we want to get some from?
This one over here. Yeah?
Yes.
Ice cream?
I'm already going there.
Hello. How are you? Too many choices?
Too many choices, yes. What do you want?
What's your favorite?
Which one's the best?
What's your favorite? Oreo. Oh
Oreo.
yeah. I like Oreo.
Yeah, you do. For you?
Thank you. That place is called Gusto.
Wait,
Oh.
Okay,
Don't drop
there you
him. I went for a Oreo ice cream, which he said was his favorite, which usually is also my favorite. So.
yeah, it didn't take a lot of persuading. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good?
That is good. And you went for
Oh, that's lemon sorbet. Yeah.
wow. What a day.
What a day.
Today has been really nice actually. No rain, super fantastic weather,
Yeah.
zip line, nice beach.
It's been such a nice day. El Nido really is very like laid back tropical paradise.
Yeah, it's very
I'm
nice.
saying that when we're on a loud street, but it's like that's part of it as well, you know?
And there's very nice food as well.
It's been such a nice day.
Tomorrow we're going on a tour, so make sure you
Yes.
subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye!
Bye.
Cheers!